Kublai pi barwa pi apet ya kari kasih channel yung rash pi katuk kubor jong kani katayo. Kimat kiba kongsan. Job ka VPP hasilong ka Kongres hatura. Ka VPP ka di ka seng jong upat ba ong uba arden. Nakadaw ka surop poy siya tangan kalong kami sa sekretariat. Pintip u kongrat baka MDA kan beteng hadu bakut ka samoy trekam. Kwa ki dorbar shnong ban penrong ya ki ikhtiar ki bor penyat shnong hapo ke building bylaws. Pelat pai ba ke HYC ya ke jingruai berema. Bat ki wake dek ki bor. Ki arngot ki kertong MP ke jela nakaseng Voice of the People's Party bat kaseng Congress katao Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon bat usaleng e sangma. Kilayo ban Korea ka jingjob ha ka jingya kunjongki ban mikmat ya ke jela Meghalaya sa parliament. Kani kalalongkat kung karay jong kipat ba lingba ki vote jong ki hak election Lok Sabha.
Has long ka Voice of the People Party kana thao history da ka jing penliam ya UMP ka Congress ba Winston H Pala hadu lailak nyopo hajar vote da ka jing yo vote bakot hadu sanak nrupo pra hajar vote. Hatura au MLA ba kerteng ka Congress salang e sama la penkut ya ka jing long nong mikmat ba sau pun yo snam na kalong yeng ulet puno e sangma da ka jing la peliam ya ka khun bat MP ka akatha ke sangma usaleng ula yo hadu lailak prap khandai hajar khandai spa hat khandai vote kat ba ka akatha kala yo tang arlak arpra hajar rus pa anyo popra vote ka ba pelong ya usaleng bancap palat silak sapho hajar vote hadu khandriu lak sapho hajar nyos pa an ripu wengut kinong thap vote kilaya thap vote ha kineki atli constituency ka jela ka bala long ha ka khandai trik ya yong hajar phusau.
Just tilt forward. So just tilt forward because it's not visible. Yes, yes. What in the camera?
They keep in.
Sir, remove this.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Sir, can you look here a bit? Yes, sir. Sir, look here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hadian ka Jing Job Jong Kaseng, u President Jong ka Voice of the People's Party u ba Aden Pasayamoy. Ulapen pa ba Kaseng VPP ka de Kaseng Jong upait ba. Bat ke yeng ru na kamenta ban yakun ya kitu ki bale persya ban penduk pendam ya kesen syar kadar Jong upait ba.
Ula ong ba ka jing klain je ka parti ka syang ha upat ba namar ka VPP ka de ka seng jong upat ba jong uno uriu simet ne jong ki hespa.
Kadang yakni ke cie jengni ke officer the Voice of the People Party kala shim batalam the way na ke cingle ke ba persang ban yurat yakni sinshar pat ba. Namar ka Kongka parti ngendang hapan kran ka cingkran jong parti ka syang hakin uwei piwei ki badang ni kapor namar ka dei ka seng ka jong pat ba. Ka seng ka jong pat ba. Kande ka seng jong nu hespa lani nu rishmet nega ka seng ka jong pat ba. Ka tanggawi kum ji nawam jong pi pat ba ni kwa ban kintu bangin ya dengan cika bepek daga akor ka puram ka tipriu ka tiplay ban ini kon daga lenti ka bacai cai ngenom ara dikui bakin yalamingi bakin le yakai ki bapakla to kumish pun to kipai babi ni daga mensim ka wasngo bat wasngoret takmat jompi ya penkit ya ka lingkor ka bakia hangi kong ka party ngendang habani kit ya ka lingkor ka bakia nangis mat nangi kerpa de piki patba tong inong ki bayasha bat kenma banani syakmat kini ki parti menta ki balapet ya ka jingkiu rasong ka sendet jong the Voice of the People Party ngam adatin kin persyang ban penjalam baklayu patba nangi nong ki patba ki bayasha shani angi ki noram kumba bila shani angi yenam shet kala ya pi yenam shet kala ya pi ki patba kalenti angi kalong ka bayangi tit bat kumbagalong kan simpor katu katni bangila shisha ban yo ya kata cingla ka bashisha ngene pun khanyi ki cingduai ngene pun skemi ki jimot ki jimakat wan kawai hadiin kawai election nang ni sikmat ngenum pakla banga kwaru banginum beng yakitu ki waipat ki bampala ban kershani ni banta mringine frey ban pensuto yakiru bakin wan lang no ban ni ni na do menta namar ke cingele mata kam don por bangin pek sagad yang gamon ka cingele kalong ban pen em ya ka chat menriu banyata ya ka chat menriu banyata ya ka pateng di langin mandin gemna show ban perkat shimet menta habang import ngin port pek na kategori bakke chat menriu player to go
U MP Batmai ka jala nakaseng Voice of the People's Party u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon ulapen pau ka jing songu ka bakraw ya ublay bat kumju ya ki pai ba nong kershan barwa iba ni ki constituency ki bahab ha ka shalong parliamentary seat ibla Punjab don burom ya ka sing ha ka ni ka kenti ka bamenta
nama kan ka pau ka jing songu ublay ula don minta pagi nado ka jing sang jong ka jing ya kenti ka jongi par hadu kani ka khleb mat ka bamenta kong ka party Bangit kun kinong kersan joga parti idang tangkat ay kaburam show. Denam dena. Ay kubay pigi patpa para lagi life on the pigi constituency. Iba iha ka Voice of the People Party aga VPP. Yaga dak joga jingkarmen. Kubay shubon ki patpa bagi yaga jingkarsan ka jongpi. Agni ka MP election.
U menteri rang ba benrap ka sarkar jalau ba prestun tinsong ula ay ka jing kublay ki pai ba barok badon ni ka jingkit clear banjiat ya ki MP ha ka lok sabah election bar ula ay ro ka jingkit bok kit ruyang ya ki MP patmai bikin la menteri kamba ha ki kam jongki
ula ong ba ukermen bakine ki MP kin la bantri kam ha na kamenta banyalam ya ka jela ha kalenti ka badai
ti ka benengkong ha ka badai batkanika election FP. Kaba kajing yan yung vote kalong manin kasni. Ngasko ba nakaliang jong ka party. Hakawiday nakabenta ka Silong Parliamentary Constituency bat kumju hakawiday bat katura Parliamentary Constituency. Ni ay kublay si hajar mo ikipay ba nung terbut parok kibala don kajing kle budget ya ki nomik man nakabenta ka ni ka sans dem kabanwan bat hakaban manin haka jinyo bot kila penpau ka mandate ka bagi ai nang ni na Silong ka PPP kala job don burom bat nang the na po turang aru ka kongres kala job don burom te kumu presiden jong ka parti NPP ngasngo ba nga ai kublay kit bok kit uyang ye kini ki armut ki MP ki batumai ba nga kermen scam kin trei bat kin yalam ya kejela ka jengi baro amut natura bat na Silong ha kaleti ka badai kat kum ke jeng amnut bat kat kum ke jeng kwa jong ki pat ba jong ke jela mikla jengi baro kwe ti kum ta na kalian ka parti nga kit bok ki tuyang bat nga congratulate ya kini ki amut ki MP bat mai way nang te na po karo hills bat way pat nang de na po ka Silong Parliamentary Constituency.
Hakabayaday ba kajing yat bet yat renti jong kasngi nyo vote hakasngi paar jong katayo u Chief Electoral Officer kajela u BTR Tiwari lopen pau kajing sngongo pat ay kublay ya kipai ba baro halor kani kabenta.
Ulai thu bah kan negas nyawot kamshim ladon kano kajing ja ka bas nyosi bat kajing nyawot kala long ka bas seso leng ba kajing trailang jong ki pai ba nakaleng u CEO ulai thu ru sapang kajing yo wot ki katong ha kan negas nyawot.
The counting for Silang ST Parliamentary Constituency and Tura ST Parliamentary Constituency in the state of Meghalaya already completed and results already have been declared. In Silang PC, Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Sinkan, candidate of Voice of People Party, has secured 5,71,078 votes, and the candidate of Indian National Congress, Sri Vincent H. Pala, who secured 1,99,168 votes, and Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Sinkan has won the Silang Parliamentary Constituency with a margin of 3,71,910 votes. Other candidates, Dr. Yam Ampreen Lingdo from National People's Party has secured 1,86,488 votes. Sri Robert June Kharjana from United Democratic Party has secured 44,563 votes. Professor Lakhan Kama, independent candidate, who secured 18,582 votes, and Sri Peter Salam, independent, he secured 7,024 votes. Altogether, there are 11,008 votes has gone for the none of the above or nota. Total rejected votes are 646. So, certificate has already been given by the returning officer Silang to the winning candidate. Similarly, in Tura Parliamentary Constituency, Sri Saleng A. Sangma from Indian National Congress has secured 3,83,919 votes. Srimati Agatha K. Sangma from National People's Party has secured 2,28,678 votes. Sri Jenithiam Sangma, All India Trinamool Congress candidate, he secured 48,709 votes, and Sri Laben CH Marak, independent, has secured 6,910 votes. Total 5,840 votes has gone for none of the above, and total 603 votes are rejected. So, in the Tura parliamentary constituency, the candidate of Indian National Congress, Sri Saleng E. Sangma, has defeated the National People's Party's candidate, Srimati Agatha K. Sangma, by a margin of 1,55,241 votes. Entire voting process and very peacefully, and there was no incident of repoll anywhere, no poll violence anywhere reported, and entire process has gone very smoothly. So I would like to really convey my sincere thanks to the people of the state for casting their vote very freely, and very largely they have participated in this function of the democracy. So total the state has 76.6% voters had used their franchise to vote, and PC wise it was 73.78% in Silang parliamentary constituency and 81.37% in Tura parliament constituency. So the overall voting was highest ever in the any parliamentary election in the state. So I would like to simultaneously appreciate and convey my sincere thanks to the entire election machinery in the state who did their very tireless effort to make this moment very successful, and entire election process has went very well. So moreover, the people, the way they have behaved and supported to strengthen the democracy in the state, it is really appreciable. So I would like to similarly thank to the police personnel, CAPF, and media personnel also for their always support and communicate, especially to the media person for the communicating the right messages and raising the concern of the people to strengthen the democracy in the state. So this is really a proud moment, and once again I would like to thank each and one for their tireless effort making these elections very successful. Thank you so much.
Menteri rang ba benrap ka jelaw ba Preston Tensong ula penpau ya kajing menjer bat pediang sobay kajing kwa jong ka Voice of the People's Party pan pelong ya kajing toget da ka CBI bat idi halor ki kambam sap hajala Meghalaya.
Wala ong bakipat ba kiperkat ba ukonrat sangma ba duba sngo ba lang dahar kide ki babam sap Henry Kidon la kajong kajingyo tulop ban sekriya kipat ba.
Let me tell you one thing, like I think the Honorable President of VPP has already said that he will tell his newly elected MP to make sure that ED and CBI step in our state. From me as a president of NPP and also as Deputy Chief Minister in the government, MDA government, we welcome this, because see, all these years they keep talking about corruption, corruption, corruption. I used to also clarify, but it seems people tend to believe that Preston or Conrad or Snobha or all the ministers in the MDA government are corrupted. So my point is very clear. I'm here to make sure that I serve for the interest of the state as a whole. I have my own salary. Not that I live with that corruption. Not that I have my house because of that corruption. If I do, I'm telling you, let people come black and white. Tell me where is that corruption happen, in which department holding by Preston, or in what way, then FIR can be filed, and then let the court takes all the necessary steps up to the logical conclusion. So now I seen yesterday the statement made by the president of BBP. I welcome, it's good, and let people really know where is that corruption happen, and let also people understand whether the allegation made by anybody is genuine or not, is substantiated or not. So let people understand, and let also those central agencies step in the state of Meghalaya. We welcome that.
Menteri rang ba ka sarkar Jalao Conrad K. Sangma, ula penpao ya ka jingbam menjur halor ka jingkano jong ka seng Voice of the People's Party, ya ka jingle abam sap jong ka sarkar Jalao ha Meghalaya. Ula ongro ba ka ni ka jingkano jong ka ni ka seng, ka di ka bam donong rin.
We are assessing all the issues. So as I said, I will not be able to give a comment specifically on that, but there are many factors. But specifically talking about the scams, this word scam is used in a very, very casual manner by everybody. And anything that happens, just is converted into scam as per, some articles. Last time I was remembering that somebody had mentioned about, a scam of the tourist lodge or something, 1,300 crores of scam was there. So it's so simple to just use the word scam. Till now, none of these allegations and any kind of, based on all the inquiries that have been done, none of these allegations have had any basis. So therefore, it's easy for people to point fingers, but there have to be facts, figures. So therefore, it is not correct to lead to that conclusion. But yes, it's a concern because that's the kind of narrative that has been created. And from our side, as a government, we've always ensured that maximum transparency is there.
So your party president has welcomed the move of the VPP to bring in ED and CBI. Are you also on the same page?
No, we're very transparent, as I said. So whatever the case may be, we have nothing to hide. So we're very clear about that.
Halor ka jingle bam sinyo jong ka sarkar Jalao bansinaya ka surok nong po umden Sunapur. Kawai kalong kami na riboy kalalek bantur hakmat ka kerdop sekretariat. Bat berngam ban persya da ka basya jingin pat ban sya tangan hadu bandayang.
Kekong bindas im kebadai na katain umden kane kalong kmi kalawan kiu henne ke step sya shalong harangkat ke plakat ban syong sya jingit hakmat ke sekretariat kane ke srok kedai ke bala syui la bon snam ke bala pen selang syikat dai ya ki pajba hakalit kawan kamtam hakakit kaba bat ki bapang bastom
Ladakim siya bansong meru ladaki ay kajaka yang handong na bagi ay nga kulay bansong hangta hadu ba ka sarkar kam da pensngat ya kijingwa gitu nga
Disitu hujan meruai kan pondok di sini ini pergi ke dalam berjaya itu.
Nga nadu men bawan namar bangawan tang marwe om don gi babut yang atiyo i hang ngawan bet marwe nakatagadaw nga siyang hang ni hakamat yung ganito sekretariat Henry long na kalian yung kim ailat yang nga bangan siyang ni nga kulay balik kiwit yang nga haba kiwit yang nga hang ni haba nga siyang ni abar kung balik di kim ay nga bangan siyang no hang tehap po hapalau yung sekretariat nada kiwit sabar balik kim ailat yang nga bangan siyang siya hang tehap po yung sekretariat hadin ba nga layo ya kasiti na audisi nang na po silong dia kadon long an hagalian jong kata kasiti ka baki kila ay nga long ngam don jis ngun ngam susu ya kata namar banga nga permission gigi ay gigi pusyai dia halor kata kasiti rukim da to syai hadu kata ki ong ba la penang ya ne surok kendai kilometer kendai poin sa pulai betar kata kadai kan habsya kan skem kenang ta ka saw pulai pon nai pusan kata kan kidang penang sya ka kidan jios bai kata ka siti ka banga ngayo na bisi dia halor kata ka siti ngale gerak kata siti ngale dia kendu yau engineer pon di nang ko dia sisin dong executive engineer ula ong yang aba ka bisa kalau don lupa nak ka bentau di pendai kilometer la don lupa ka bisa bad hadin juga di direction international nga sutu ya kata ka siti kamdei kumta bakin snano ya utau soro kadai kijing penmang dai su penmang dia kata kijing keren jung upat dia uang ba kala don lupa ka bisa dia nga apa dia ngo lada don lupa ka bisa balik pimpen sina ya soro Hibu le ayu ya kata pisah ke baladon. Ka sarkar kadang le ndang bu le ayu ya kata ke pisah. Lada ka sarkar kala don lupa ke pisah ngong. Prisna yo no ya surang. Bali bidang bu, bali bidang penkastur ya kata ke pisah ke jungping ngong kopda. Dia hadin pada nga pun ya media nga pawan hang tu he dalawan ki media hang tu pada ukren pada gawe ke kentin uong ba. Em kong ngantran ke jisya ba. Ondala yo ka result MP ngin sa pelai no ya ka sumsyon jong te surang. Bat ngin sa khotendar hang tang asas nutu ba kisu kren yang klit todong am nutu ya kata kum kren juki kisu pengen no yang akum ka kena ka kelung na kata dau long kapen long yang banom don si nya syute ya kinong ya di officer jungiro ta dau ka ba penlong yang bangan wan be cakmat
Kapno ka jing jurong jong kanaka surat nanu tong pos
nadu nong po adu surat banya kendu bat sonapur hangke kadesan pendai kilometer
Ki kanhon seng bhalang bapher kilalit ban a jingker shan ya ka kong bindas kabla shong sha jing it a parking lot kabadon ajan ko office additional secretariat Shillong kini ki kanhon kilapan paru ka jing persya ya ka sarkar MDA hapo ka jing alam jong ka National People's Party halor ka jing le bam sunyo jong ka ya ka jing jot rathai jong ka surok nong po umden Sunapur
Presiden ke HYC Bak Roy Gopal Senrem hak ji kren bat kilat patai kubor ulong bakalong ke bas nyosi baya ke neka surok ke bajengai kumba santu pra point kan riu kilometer la shu i ben menta daki posnem kalong ke bas nyosi bantip ba nakisan snem syakisan snem ki bansawan ki nong mikmat ki yai kular bat ki yai kren ye ki tin penbe ye ki nong song snong jong ka nopo constituency Lemda day ba ikong bindas imi syakmat banca tangan syasyalong pan penbor ek sarkar bancna ka surok nong po umden Sunapur namar bon teliki snong ki basatnya hakane ka surok
bandawa ya surok naga sarkar namar niru kita da lagani long punok naro kata por baca put baron ha banyak ceput ladangin ceput dikenya ni banyilaya te ni ceput siapa banyila ceput nidon to hak bandawa pan nidon bandawa ko longnya kata ko hak bandawa ni klem dawa ya ka bai khau kun di klem dawa ka bai school ko di klem dawa kejingkan kan singat kejingkan kan aja di dawa dengan benda upat ba benda ni mo pun kita
Ini ya dalam kedai itu kau kalau ba nong song nong ba kita nong baba gitu jadi ba bisa ya ai sia konstruksi dari senjata kedai bila tiba ambil kamu tu juga di bani dan kau yang baru tadi ini berada di sini sia pun tak tahu kesan step dia jingwan tular nanti Kani ka jingle ka tong tiro ka pagpao ba nong di kwan ni kelas ya la kelas mo ka ba ko ni ngom ni wan ba pian man sa snap ko long ko tai Bro sekarang yo semua baga pisal adon on sasna tentang itu baga pisal kamdan kamu ba klem le gitu
Pero kidang ngut bang ong ba mentang su pendaha malu malaya surah kaport lang tang surang kabenang nai no ya surah katu kata kidang ngut ban kran kita penlengo kadang pen dikar suyanga abang ngalak tip syai bang pakai function ya surah we skip engineer ulah ong pakai function ini pintar ya surah kita ba udang ong kita udang ong kita ba kita senang kaport lang dalam kadang pen artin susu yang
enggak katelang nih kadang cengai kadang kadang dia yang ingin dulu lagi dan yang enggak betul gampang enggak apa telak pada ni benda mental terus ya ini dia bapak nakaliang na basing Neutral Youth Council at YC Sengkumi marmar hadin mangilayo katuka kubur kaba iwe ni kilong kumi dong kadong umdan na kasnong maulong di balawan nanta kasngi ban syong syatran ang niya po mat jong gate sekretariat hoy wala gini kisgi gibladap ngilayo na kalyang jong kaseng ya ka kubur kabala kami na kalyang jong iwe long kami jong kajai pendriyo ibalakwa ban penpau kabadingkong kajing dawa kajong galong ban penbahano yung surok na po nongpo umden siapo surok sonapur kajing dawa kajong kuma ka sorka nakaliang nakapor sa kapor ka jukran igikentin manong ba surok uday butlum jong ka development lane jong karoy kapar nakalong ha kani ka jala ka jong lakalong ha kari ba kaperthei bro kawai ndeka basosi along ba yaw new surok pat ubacanga kumbasan po kandai kilometer ladang ambakla na dunong po adu hal lenti lane ka surok banya so po sonapur la shui ben menta da ki phau tli gisnam kay ba kalong kay ba susi ru bantep ba na kisan snem ki bansawan kinong kibanwan kinong mikmat ki jongi ki ai kular ki ai kren ni ki kentin ban penbi hamtam be ya kinong song jong kadong nathan kanong po konstituensi momdi tangan po konstituensi re po kajla hibrokoi re hakani khlemat hakani kapor lamdadei ba ini kong imi syakmat banwan sakani seni sesulong ban pelong yang kini program ban syatngan da kajing tmu ban penbor ka sorkar kadai ban snano yo new surok na mau di surok ubodon kam hadu kata-kata daki pautli gisnong kilong dependent new surok ilayo cingtep ba kibriyo don kiba shitom jor ha kitu gidong kithan kitu kisnong kimnot shu ban ra lang ba kali ban penpoi la kalong sepo nong po la ne sesulong namar kajing sniu pala jong ni surok laha ban sukit suba yaki ban penpoi se ki hostel ki badon hapo asam don ru ki khap ki ba kinong snong ki ban mat ya ki jingja ki basosi tang namar kajing sniu jong ni surok lomba ki kali ki ba ki song wat ban poi ka jenjare ki ban poi wa ki jaka ajing sumar ti kata kapala pelong ini kong banwan mata kasih ini jaka ban nakaliang jong kaseng mar sentip ya kajingwan jong kong hang ni po sekretariat ya hang ni po additional sekretariat ngilawan mi kajingwan jong kaseng ningkong ya kalong ban aimen sim bi imdei ban snow marway imdei ban snow diau ban snow kemang kaseng HYC borokwe kandon haringkat asenda jong pi kani kajingele ka jong pi hot ngindon ru haringkat kinu don kam ki baikong idon kam akani kajingele ka jong but nakaliang jong kaseng ngikwa ru ban pha ka kubur ka basai sa sorkar sa kinong mi khmat ki jong la biang kat tu kajing thok kajing syukur ka jong pi na kawi kapor sa kawi kapor tak ba penbit ya kinong snong ya ki pat ba ki balui ki jong khatsan tli gisnam phila penbit ba on snano yo ni surok bre hadu kani khlemat yo jingtep balam ba ki kwat kisla ki bapa batang ya ka sanction ro empat ai na kamta bat snai ki surok kajing keli ka long ba kai kita kajing kular ka jong pi yo ayu da ka ba pi chu thok ya ki pat ba ki jongi batong ba pin sasna kat batang ka pisa ban sanction ya kani surok om syam lasna ni penram jor ya ki bakum kini kinong mi khmat ni penram jor ya ka bakum kani ka sorkar ka bom snap ya ka jing nam jong pat ba kajing dawa ban yo ya ka surok kamdei kajing dawa ka baklem song nong rem jong ki pat ba nong song kadai kajing dawa ka bari ka hok ka jong ni namar ngi jit ya pi ban long ginong mi khmat ki jongi namar bangi na ka benta ba kinwan ra ya ka roi ka par bat ban yo ya ka roi ka par kanu ka dong ka than ba ka jala ka jongi usurok udai uta ubutlum bat ubadon kam tam hadu kata tingi ni penram jur ya ginong mi khmat ki jongi ki ba set kelut ki skor ki jongki ki ba matla ki khmat ki jongki bat ki ba set dam mi ka sentur ka jongki ki bom la ban ang ya kini ki jing sisa tengi na kaliang jo ka seng so bandawa na ka sorkar bakari ban ngap ya kani ka jing dawa jong ini kong ko basong nong rem bat na kaliang jo ka sengin ya don rengka bat i nang ni sakmat ru akani ka jing yale
Hakabayade bat kasurok nong po umden sunapur UCM barim ka KHADC uba CBCM ulapan pau kajing persya ya ka sorkar jala halor kajing le bam su nyaw jongka par ula airu kajing kersyan ya ka kong bendas iem ka balasyong syatngan pan persya kajing le jong ka sorkar halor kani ka benta
Bakran sekilat patai ku bor ong bakane kajing dawa ban snai ketika surak kamde tang menta henry ke balak bon teli kisnem henry na kaliang ke sorkar kale matla kam sim kya ya kene ke kam alor kene ke surak na kaliang usi am barim ula takrain ting ya ke sorkar ke baklem sim kya alor kajing maramot ya kene ke surak
Tengsi ngawan ban sim ingin kabu ban pau jadi perlok perjor naga mengawan kiu menemen step nang tena nongpo naga mensim ga basupia ya ka jing sim rai jong ikong vindas im ban syatkan naga dau upai ba bola sitom sisa kaya kiyang surok umden wala jot rathiau umdei tang mentai sistem itu surok wala slemba atau surok banadu sistem sejar hajar khat khandai ngarung ande wei walai sim benta kum kirang ba sinong bandawa ya kejing pendit pendiang kejing penhai ke surok henry nakal yang ka sorkar kamla benlei bat kamtre ban simkia ban penhai ke surok bat nakal yang kinong mikmat jingir mioi ya kata kejing simkia wan ada dei ban maramot ro kam simdan kejing maramot kat kajing bon yang upai nong nong uba ya sok bat ka jala asam utai surok tenre adu gini kisi ngalai jenjar sisa kalai kawan adu ba kibalik bawan kinong khayen pateng kila so ritmen sim ban lai chute ka than umden de ngaso ban ai ka jengkublei bakarpang ikong bindas im kum kawe na kilong kami kaba im kumno ban kamay la kajong kayong kasem yarap ri paipa kabadon bentaro haka imlang salang kum kathain kawet ka khayi ka pateng na sode man ai ka jingaro ya ka jing slur ka jongka ban sim ya gane ka senjam ban pen iya kamat ka sorkar ba kadon sisa ka jing saukhia na ka bantau paipa te ngam don sibun gi genten dengan sode ban ong ba ka sorkar rengkat bagi nong hikmat kim dei ben sim sting nada dei mano menoru na kinong sunong gi basim ya ka kum kini ki senjam ki batek akmat pagba ka bakam dei ka kamram go jongki ati disha ka dei ka kamram jong kinong hikmat ka dei ka kamram jong ka sorkar ban pek ya ki lenti ki sengkin na ka banta ka jingbit jembiang ka roy ka par jong ka state ban ka jing suk jong ubalai bawan ubaduk ubasuk unong khayi lani u nongpang ubalik bawan ban yo ya ka cukup jika dengan begini kentim na appreciate ban ai borom ya kene galong kami ke basim ni kene senjam ban syak tangan kenang ba ka sorkar kan itu kan tip ba hadu kan no usurok nongpo umden ulajot hadu kat no ka jing sitom kamtam kita ki bapang kamtam kita ki badon kam sisa ban lek ban wan sing dikit han din sotu ya ka jing don kam ba sode ban apil kubuwe na kirang ba sinong hadu gini gisi ba ka sorkar kadai ban simkia mardor ban su apsa ya kata ka sanction ban su apsa ya kata ka jingyo pisa kamdei ka basuk yo pai ba ban su ikum to uman ya yap seto uman ya jot seto kum kinong mikmat kiladai ban sim ban marmat marmar yo te surok wat ada kampat poi ka sanction ro ka ban marmot usurok dan kam namar ba di breu di basong basa di balik bawan ki don kam usurok klem usurok anam la balik banwan namar ba usurok ude budlum jong ka koit ka kia ubudlum jong ka khai ka pateng ubudlum jong ka imlang salah kan kini gitu
U Konrad ke sangma u badai menteri rang ba ke jela bat u chairman ke MDA. Ula penpau ba ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hapo ke jingalam jong keseng NPP kandang yai beteng ban sensyar hadu bandekut ke Samoy basan senang.
Ukonrad ubadai National President ke NPP bat chairman ke MDA ulak lum ya kejing yalang bat baro ki parlok bay trailang hadin kejing syarem ha ke election Lok Sabha Azad Posau na baro arteli ki constituency ke jelah. Haba ya kren baki nong thok kubor Konrad ong ba kejing bamla ban le baha jong ke NPP kadan bun baha ki daw bat ong kadang kloy palat ya nga ban kin tho ai hanrei ki dan shibun ki daw bat ngila dep ya shong ya kato kat ne kejing yalang ban ya kren ya kene ke kam.
Even in my message on social media, that we very humbly accept the mandate of the people, and we have to move forward from here. I have also taken the opportunity to wish both the MPs the very best, and of course there are a lot of expectations, a lot of work to be done, and I'm sure they will be very capable of moving a lot of things in the parliament and getting things forward. So I wish them the very best, and as I said, we accept the mandate of the election and of the people.
So we've
Sir,
seen that
do you think it's a wake-up call for NPP?
You see, elections are all, every election is different. The issues are different in every election, and the way people vote in every election differs. There are many factors that work in election. So therefore, we cannot compare one election with another election. But having said that, obviously any election and any defeat in any election calls for any political party to introspect, for individuals to introspect. So, it's a part of process of election and democracy, where we win some elections, we lose some elections, but it is always the duty of every political party to learn from their mistakes and look into the issues that were there in the election and why the possible results could have happened.
So, but for NPP, what went wrong
One by
here?
one.
What went wrong? What is it that you all failed?
We can't say specifically right now because there are too many factors. We are looking into it, and it'll be too premature for me to give a knee-jerk reaction to the entire process. But there are many factors, and we have in fact had a couple of rounds of meeting already to discuss. I've met most of the party leaders, senior party leaders here in Shillong. I came back last night, and since then we've been meeting many people. And we are assessing the situation, but as I said, it will be too early for me to come out with the entire diagnosis, but there are many factors. That's true. We've seen this kind of trend in politics in the past also. This happens in many constituencies and many states where the state government is for one party. We have seen many situations where in the MP election, we don't win. So it's not something that doesn't happen. Yes, I would like to thank the people of Garo Hills that for the last 46 years, they have put faith and trust in the leadership of the party at different levels. And we have done our best to serve the people. And we respect, as I said, the mandate. There are issues, there are concerns, and it is our duty now to accept it, and our duty to introspect, and our duty to find out where we can improve and be ready for the next elections.
Is there any threat to the government or to defeats?
We are obviously looking into all the aspects, but I'm very confident. I had a meeting with all our coalition partners. In fact, just now also we were having almost a marathon meeting with all the coalition partners, especially the UDP had come to meet me today. I had met the leaders of the BJP also, and we have all discussed all the different issues, and we have reiterated that we will complete this term, we'll work together in a very stable manner and continue to serve the people based on the mandate that they gave to us.
Did the President call for your resignation following that defeat?
The people of the state have given us a mandate in the assembly elections, and it is that mandate on the basis of which a government is formed. So I think they'll have to do their homework a bit on this. Election in 2023 was election for the assembly, and people voted for most of the coalition partners. They gave more seats than what was given in 2018, and therefore that is a mandate based on which this government was formed, and hence it is completely wrong for anybody to mention that.
O Menteri ka Sarkar Jelau Badiru Unong Yalam Jong Keseng NPP urakam e sangma, ulaong bau MP Batamai ke Jala Meghalaya, ubade nakaseng VPP, u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon, udang don cibun ki kam ki ban pendam, bat ki jingdawa badang sa, jong ke Jala Meghalaya.
Ulaong ba kajing job kaput jong kaseng WPP kapan iya kajing kemik lenti jong kipai ba.
People have voted to BPP and about Sinkan with a high expectation, and now Sinkan, Honorable MP, is a part of the fence within the fence now. He also become a man to deliver now. These same people voted to him with high expectation to meet the challenges like be it the ILP, be it the Eid schedule, be it the travel challenge, the Christian challenge. I don't know. So now it is up to Sinkan. He have to work hard also to convince the government of India and the Ministry of Home Affairs to make all this. And if he also could not meet the expectation, the same people will say a different story tomorrow. Now he also part of the team now. He also solves the responsibility to make things happen, because from the day one, this government NPP and the MDA government is trying its best to make it happen, but still is on the process. But now the Sinkan, Honorable MP from Shillong, has also become the part of the team now. So he have to respond now. He also solves the same responsible now. Sometimes it is leaders how we approach. So maybe I don't know whether it can happen or not happen. But now, after becoming Honorable MP now, Sinkan also will see the different colors, the dynamics of the Indian politics, and he will see the colors of the beauty, the Indian democracy. So I think he will also become the part of our team with soldiering the responsibility.
O menteri katanat boarding u iti mondal, ula penpau ba kajing maramot ya ka umyam dam, bat kajing pen scam ya kajing kieng, labu thong ban pendam ha ka tayo baningkong jong banay nailar.
Habaya tu sa pangkane Menteri Keterangan Boarding u eti mondal loang ngakermen baya kene ke kam in la ban pendep haup nai naitung ne haup nai nailar. Ulai tu baya kene ke jingmaramot la shim da kadam Rehabilitation Improvement Project DRIP kajing temu jong ka DRIP ke de kajing maramot bat kajing penbhai ki dam bat kajing penklai ki. Kikam ki bakongsan bala shim da ka DRIP ka kentup ya ka drilling bat kajing longti na ka grounding jong ka dam kajing orpipe bat kikam hydromechanical na kaling jong mondal la pentip ru ba kajing sya ban ya ki kali na jingking kan long hakarukom jong ka zigzag way.
Regarding Umiam Bridge, we are working on it, and I am very confident that we will complete in due course of time. What I told you, that July end or August, first week of August. We are working also to allow the vehicle to pass in zigzag way so that we can work in a better way to complete the work. So we are having reviews almost weekly basis. Let us work and we will see. That means suppose there are two lanes, no, left and right wing. If you go down, we'll allow some vehicle to go to right, then take a left turn to the already completed concrete one, then they go, and then they took the right again to exit. So by the meantime, we'll cover the portion which will not allow them to go in a bigger portion. At a time we will complete. Then after completion of that one, then we will allow them to go from the old entry left side, then they take a right turn, go, then take a left turn and go. All will be systematically done there in the bridge, so that we can expedite the work. Yes. See, now the question is that there are two components actually here. One component is the strengthening the dam, is a larger portion. Second thing is the this retrofitting of the bridge. So both the work we are doing simultaneously. Hopefully it will be completed as per the stipulated time. July end, first week I told that we will be through.
Ki nong shnong jong shnong purian ki badonya ki jakarap ha shnong maskun ha ka nyotarik menta ubanai klami pat ba banit rap ha kini ki jaka jongki hadien baladon kat tu kat ningut na kinong shnong jong kasung maskun ki balalik ban rap bat kini jubor ya kini ki jaka ki di balajur rap balalong trala bun snam teki brio jong kesnong puriang.
Nakaliang kinorep ki kerpa je ki bor badai khmi bakin sngau ba banyarap lem ya ki akabaya de bat kene kaching ha kan de sngi la sanran lang usoda snong oba lo tipson min song ba secretary snong ba Jackson Carl Sunai.
Ngam keno ina puring keno re berkhot mo katok kana ngut ki bo rep subor bilia long ba iam ke cika chung hana area chung pai ngi kubur ba kana cika iam ke sa jentia iam ke kana tang ba iam hokor mo nong puring iam cika hana tong som pai im bi mo tang hana sung im bi chung pai tang sung habil kam ke li chung bulong li sto habil kam long ke jingi im lang menta tang ba ka daw ba ila daga spas ne ma ira ne chung pai tip ni tang wilang subor bi si siam ma chung pai kini ki kur kini si sam sar kini perar kami don si mama si kun si kiti kamu lengo tu gilong ki yu tu kimi suto itu tu ni suto macam apa si bubu ki orang basi bahap ni sung kemudian irap ikat ki bariap yo nanti ikat ke sur nanti beri nang elam orang beri persur ki jumpai kat ki benar riap kemud ayo baik kata si ke jemut harga jemut jumpai tang mamata ino pring iklam lar ne wan penium snam lai re penium son lai re penium sni penium sok ya dak ra i kanai si negara wala riap chung phera ni riap yeng la ka hok sira ba long la ki la ong pio kum no i lai re ka sur ya la i long ban pun kanai si ska ka chung i don hok re no pring pem ska ne chung phai par phai betip phai em ska no pring ne bila ni sok san bira ben hon bira ba mun kubur ba kanai ska no pring tang na ka daw ba long lese na keling chung dalai ro ilali ben pankot ai ure na saudara ai ure long kaya ke jimut klau kete pram I prakasi si gen bani sungolang iro klem kene ra jong phai si gen kene jong I pata ke cing cing mata rik spas nam sar kene ke jinge wo jumo pir bun kaman ke por manwan sene tigila kuno ihapon ni le pembai banwan ya rep lang namaro ngimnut maro er ngut namar gi maham stiang mir gi thangai gi yang sene ngimtep mano tang don bathangai gi yang la bon teli sene ngila IFRO kijikarap barat syarap cubor don jingrat tang mentaro hatu khmat don ujuk thong ya so ne kirap jubor sinyamru usun saru kirap ne kidon baput tangim ong ne nong bang kerten tang ba anto don baput den he tak daw don dairi ra inong no don dairi fa sino dairi I chumi ko na mangila pring la ito ko kon kredit kon swat ti kan ba do kan Christ no jong hai Christ no ba salamat no toy normal sira belum biar sini gini rap rap ini kita cong ki lese na galiang jong ki osong snong hang ne lekin kin permit da ko bat khubol lese ko bakala kin kam bagani kita jong ki da tutip bagani kita jong so gini ki barap jong gini ki nong rap jong ki benang puriang ka de kita ka bala naduk barim kulong kumak dak san spa senem pateng le pateng na takdaw long ba kajing jungi long ba hang ne don kam nyimpat yo kita galan holding na takdaw ngi kerpat ya ibor bari pej sumba ban pej ikane kena bangin yo ban yo kolon ya galan holding kajing jungi galong ba andang ila lek susi konsil ki pan ya recommendation da usodar na doloi kajing galong ba na kaleng doloi ai patiaw te gawer do ai ukunduk moro-moro uang ba upan de dor ki ba bahek de gilak-gilak kabalik sei na galeng ginong rep kim kot bo te sagawai nga kerpat curi ki bor bari pej sumba ban pej ikane kam kenang ba kani kam kan kut no ba kenang oi nok song snong jungi kin rep suk san ha kani kicika ka bahap ani jentia hills ese na galeng jungi nong rep nambar ki ipsa khon sakti na kani kicika la sedengi do no kani hap jungi nano gin bi ba mano man kit kle ya kayeng kesem ko jungi ban pendap penbiang ya ka bam kedi jungi te na galeng junga sesin mang kepat bor ya ka bor ba dai pet sumha ban lek klo ya kani kam kulo sibo
ka KHADC ling bakatanad ilaka kalaray ban penbuon ya ki engineer ki ban kmi benia hakabaya day bat ka jing a jingbet ban snaye ka occupancy certificate bat ki wegi jing don kam hapo ka building bylaws jong ka KHADC
Hamba ikran berkilat patai ku bor EM bakmi ia ka eleka uba PNSM ulaong ba ka KHADC kala rai ban penbon ya ki engineer jongka ki ban kmi benya ya ka building bylaws
jongka ni ka bylaws bang laong ru shwa bangin pha sha komen ngin sa kol gi no mi khamat dong gi gis ni ar lai ngun sa ngun ban finalize shwa bangin pha chi ni na kaleng dong ki sukunan sukmen bala abani telang berka dismusel jadi nalo kita ke don tu katu kanela seki close ki bange haban pendrung bagan nom pen bun kam than yaki no apply ya ka biling belos de kajing kwa jong ki long ba ban modify ni ban amen katu kan ni ki benta jong ka building bylaws nang ba kan pensuk lagi nong sosno
Sebentar apa puur penggelang gelang ba habon ra biang adu anu try pinya
ya ngin persiam ban la start ke department minta kan prepared ya ke ga bangi ke kan minta ski pada din bagla prepared lang sengin chuchak hamnu baidon kampan yogi komplet adin nang tarangin prepared ya ka draft modified amendment ya ka building bylaws kenang bangin yo ban call igini stakeholders ban discuss ban pha cha government nilai ko ga bala nu ka ban kham simplify kat bala ya ka process kenang bagan pensuk te meneng yong ma lakum dukum nu hajinya dei bat ka occupancy certificate bai bala yo ya ka jing pensisha na orang ba snong te ginom islam ban issue wud ya ka occupancy certificate kenang bagan numbu jing ai pai ba Baar jadi ke building permission tu nomor ba. Idon ya ka empanel engineer, di sama engineer ke bangila empanel ha ke di Zongzil. Nama gini kita lagi export ke bala julek berobor apa muda di gue. Tidak ada aplikan ki pasna ya ki plan lang begini ki empanel engineer kan state yang iru nomor ba kila amli ni kena kam. Tendai lah lagi lain lang bagi wiki engineer bagi empat panel mengyang ni kita bun ki technical problem mengenai pai kalau saya ke bagi haban pha biang sya kita ban penpej tinggi ban pensuk ikan ni orang balang mungkin identify no kambun yang panel engineer hang ni siam kita baju le abuda kadang gua kata nang bun kadang pensuk ada lagi sina magi kanum simport han aji de berkeplan te maria poiru nama gladil pagi engineer dungina ni bangila recognize te kam state yang iban aiga apu palko te kiton ki bagum kitaru de baru kita ka jislam dia kalau marba ile ki engineer ki banabar import pasu tu bahaya ka kum lagi de kan building bylaws impalong well verse ni te kam mi problem tentang kampan suk bandon ka empanel engineer ka ban balakam profession agak kam as specialized kan kam kenapa kan pensuk apply ban pensuk ni ban issue ka permission
Kinong yalam snong jong ki santali ki dorbar snong ki bahab apo ka jingpet jong ka KHADC kiladawa na ka district council baga de banyakran bat ka sarkar jilla bakan penrung lam ya ka bor ke ikhtiar ba ka jingkit klie jong ki dorbar snong hapo ka building bylaws kenang ba ki dorbar snong kin scam ba ka district council ru kan scam
kat kum gajing kren jong no yalam ki dorbar snong uba juda walang ula ong ba ki kwa ya ka district council ban ya kren bat ka sarkar halor ka jingdon kam ban penrung lem ya ka bor ki dorbar snong hapo ka ain snaying ne ka building bylaws
officials trong the district council te ni sungtho ya ka jingdon kam jong ka building bylaw hakaba ladangi ni jora ya ki por ba mensual Kung magkibriyo gede sinaying ko basimala ni armala. Tenre habapek bat habai bishar ya kani gichinglong gicingman kamtam ha kabede bagi sinaying jong kibriyo menta. Tikira esna lagi balai mala lagi basamala. Te dan kamhi ya kaba kan biang ya ka plan kan biang ya ka jingtau ya ka jingwa kanang makanang wanra ya ka jingmala ya ka jing. Jaga basyarkai hakisngi ki puar bawa ki banangwan. Dia kata agak dia hak ketiga jongi kum kibriyo ya kebangi hak ya kebantai perman lah ya kata. Dia henry ka jing angnut nak kalian ka jongi kum kidor barshong ki bahak akini ki santri ki senjuk akini ki santri ki iriat lo da. Habangi puli ya kani ka building bylaw. Dia kamdei ka building bylaw jong ka district council kadai ka mikraya building bylaw ka bahashina ada ka urban affairs jong ka government of Meklaya. Ya kebahakan ni ka building bylaw la pau baka authority ka tang kemudah bat ka district council. Di kemudah kan pay ya municipal area bat ikini ke scheme area bat ya kiwi kum ki special project. Di hentai nak bentak ka master plan area tela IT ha ka district council ya ka ban issue ya ka building permission. Di hentai abang ingi pay ya kini pat kalong ba kam simladon ka rule lani kam simladon ka kamram lani ka jikit klik bat ya ka ikhtiar jong kidor pasno tedai halor jong kata ya ka ba pangiwan ya ka ban ya kendu hang ni mentare janmit kalong ba ni dawa nomor ba na kalian jong sarkar jala kalawan ra ka ai bakal IT sya ka district council ban pentre kami gani bana kalian ga jong ikum kidor pasno ni dawa bana kalian jong ka bo jong district council kan ra ya kani ka kubor Sya kabor jong ka sarkar ba nakali nga jong kidor basnong ni kwa ba ka ikhtiar ka role bat ya ka responsibility jong kidor basnong kadai bandrung ha ka bylaw kanang balasai kidor basnong kin scam ka district council kan scam namar ba kumbalong himanta ba kadai tangkum ka kortisikol kadai tangkum ka kortisikol haba nakalian juga district council kapan nangi ke dor basnong ya ke NOC lane ya kata ka occupancy ban ai ka recommendation haka occupancy certificate tian rei habangi bishar pat hakani kalau henry kam shimdon ya kata ka jing betha telesi kani kala ban bu ya ka jing ma ka khaw na ka benta kani ka institution ka jong ka ba kum ki tong shwa man shwa ki jongi i la saindur haman la kawai kasinong tegare kata ga bangingi da angno tenrai sung tonak bana kaliang jong UCM lengkap haga jing yedam lang bat deputy CM bat EM in charge baki officials jong district council ba kila ai hangi ya gajing kular ba kila ai hangi ya gajing kular badakum komnoru hapo jong ubnai Julai ken wanra ya ka bylaw lane ya rules and regulation ka bat penkre na kaliang jong district council bana kalian ga jongi la kentu ba kinile kat bala manten kloy ye kani katam khnang makanom don ka jingta na ka benta ki nong shong ki jongi kiban kam ya ka building permission te shushuru namaro balai bana kalian ga jongi kum kidor basnong ru ngi long concern ba ngi long sincere bahan na ka benta jong kani namar ngi layo i ba kum kiniki bylaw te bagi ni syaptin bayo kadai tangkum ka kampung bi dan ke jingpun kami namar mangi kenma haus nam araja katsao ne haus nam araja katsam ki wabo ni dor pasnong gi jongi kim priang ye ke jing wanrung jong muda kim priang man wanrung ye jong muda sa ki dor pasnong gi jongi lani sa ki jurisdiction jong isnong gi jongi ki baha ka schedule ire di halo bi de bekati ka bentaru ni i bayo kadai tangkum ka kampung bi lani ka kampung kami na kalian jong ka sarkar ya kabana marba ki pai ba kimpat priang ya kemuda kishu IT sya ka district council ban pentre kam ya kane ka building bylaw tede na lor jong ta ya kaba ngi priang ya ka building bylaw te hentai ka de ban wan ka takor kom ba kabangi ang no hena kalian ga jongi kom ki dor pasyon golong ba ka building bylaw jong ka district council ba kanda don hiru ka jing pentikna na kalian jong sarkar bahaki sik schedule area ban na kalian jong district council kala ban frame ya rules and regulation na ka banta kini ki shinong ki bahap ka sik schedule area.
O Menteri Katanat Social Welfare uba polling do hagas ngit ho ding jong katayo. Ulalum jingalang ya baro ki MLA ki MDC kinong yalam shnong ki he officer Katanat Home Police pat kiwe kum si bentaban ya keren halo ga jing tumu jong ka sarkar bantek la kami ki kam khai bad di drugs ha ka jela.
Kene ke jingelang kala longru alor ka ain ke batamai ke dream ha ke ba kala ai bor ya kinong yalam snong limba ke jing penbej ba bon rukom bantek la kam ya ke jing pendon kam ya drug bari kene ke jingelang la penlong hapo state convention center jong ka sarkar jela.
We acknowledge the presence of Sir Sambor Shulai, our honorable MLA who's here in our midst today also.
Crimes, bootlegging, and other social evils. Today, the thinking in the government is that we need to revive, reorganize, rejuvenate the participation of civil society so that we will be in a position to overcome this menace. There is a saying that where a small mind sees problems, a great mind sees opportunities. And today we see this as an opportunity for civil society to come together, fight and take on this menace. And instead of living in an age which is constantly under panic attacks from various news, the social media, the interaction every day, people are panicking at several levels. But today, we would like to not transmit panic. We would not like to be transmitters of panic and soothsayers of bad days, but we would like us to be transformers of change and transformers of positivity. So with this backdrop in mind, I would like now to briefly request members present here, especially from the Tapashnams, to give us their valuable inputs. I believe we have circulated these rules to all of you on the rules which the Director of Social Welfare has just mentioned. And also, you will be aware that under these rules notified on the 29th of May 2008, the Marriott Village Defense Organization rules clearly lay down the structure, the organization, the functions, the roles of the VDPs. And with this backdrop in mind, knowing the huge shortcoming of the presence of VDPs first in the capital city, we thought we would like to take a start by having today's meeting. So I leave the floor open for discussion now.
Thank you, sir. Regarding the perception, I would say this is perception that the NTPS Act is weak. I would beg to differ on that. So I think we will need to have a discussion on that, and I would like to show you that the provisions for especially for offenders undertaken under the NTPS Act are very, very stringent. In fact, the perception might be because when it comes to drug users, the provisions are not so stringent. That is maybe where the perception has come that the NTPS Act is soft on offenders taken under the NTPS Act. As mentioned by our Honourable Minister, we've also taken up PIT and the PIT NTPS was also coming. This is largely to deal with illicit trafficking, largely for persons who have been accused or have been found and wanted in at least 2 or more cases of drug trafficking. the provisions under the BIT NDPS are even more stringent than what is there under the NDPS. Cases which are being processed at the moment.
I just want to get a clarity and a suggestion. Thank you, Pastor Ivan Ongwer, who have given a very constructive suggestion regarding those areas which are outside the shield area. Okay, within the shield area we have Dorbarchano, as enshrined in the section of the Constitution of India, and we are having the Appointment Act, which is known as the Appointment of Chief and Act 1952 as an amended till date, where they have the authority to form the Dorbarchano and their respective localities. Looking at the invitation, I just want to get a clarity, because here the invitation has been invited to the Honorable MLAs, MDCs, and the President and Secretaries of the Dorbarchano. I just want to know whether this non-shield area, like the European ward and the Cantonment area under the control of the Defence Authority, and the European ward which is under the control of the state government, whether these village council or the society duly formed since the time of inception of our state, duly recognized by the government, duly registered with the competent authority under the Societies Act, whether this organization outside sectional area are invited or not. And I would like also to put one more suggestion. If, with due respect, if the church committees are invited, I would like to put forward my suggestion that if they are not invited, except church committees, I would like to request that the other religious committees, be it the monastery committee or the puja committees or the mosque committees or the monastery committees or the mandiri committees of various faith and religion, should also be invited. If not today, my suggestion that in the near future, when there is any meeting under the chief of
Kahinyotrab Youth Council Central Executive Committee Hakasantering mentau benai kala pelaj pai ba e kajing ruai beremau kabadan hakai ka kubur yada mariang kani kajing pelaj pai ba e kani kajing ruai kalong rukum shibenta ban rakhe e kajing dap posnam jong kaseng HYC
Kajing ruai kalong hakasor kum kajing kersiu thia ya ke imlang salang bakan shim ka benta ban sumare ka mariang ya kani kajing ruai la tho de inong tho jing ruai ba pau ka bri hinyo trep ikong amabel susngi da ka bayar ruai lang bat ikong bahun marwen
Habang pasyang beliang datang jengkel kuyok tiang cinta mariang oleh banyo sebab bahanilah kelam thong dunia bu dijengkel musuh marhab PM yaki Jing ani
jing yo momer badam si post nam la neu ko si post nam na seng mentau snap khan yo trik jung Julai ban ya ka ba ya ki program ki ba fair ni ada ban sedang ngadu ke upenai peningkong jung news nam mentang sni ke baderu ke ko sni ke ba ke partai bro ke we ka rakhi ya kata ka sni jong ka mai mariam la ne kata ka world environment day nakaliam do paseng kum sibenta jong kini gitu jirwai ke bangin sepenmi ya kini sni ni la ru ban penbiang ya we ke jirwai ya ka bala ai keteng ka be rong o la ne ka be rong o ya kini ke jirwai la shna dari latau di kong Amabel Suski bat larwai lang ringkat bat di kong bawun marwai ka jengmut jong paseng bat penmi ya kini ke jirwai akum kini ke sni ka ba ka parthei karakhi ya kani ka sngi jong ka me mariam kadiru shi benta bakum ka seng habang ipet saudong ipet ya la ka jong gari ya la ka jong jat benriu hot ngimla kan so sarong ya ka ya ki ba itnat ya ka me mariam ka bi itnat ya ki lum kiwa ki kshat ki thwei ki ba itnat ki ba unong bu nong thau la ayang ikum ka jat benriu Ndrei kapenlong ru yang i bangin don kata kajing songkya baladang i pet keleng jong ni yo i ba upat benriu kham tam e kani ka jingruai ka jingmut jong ka jingruai kalong ban khot ban we ya lagi jong ki pardo ki parasnam ki bahaya ngasam ki parlo parajor ki basa kham tam e apo ka briu nyotram ba tongin long adkar kumnu bagi pendon kam lanik e ka bangi ni le ban penjot ya kani mai mariam jong ki kentien ki badan yang kani kajing ruai beningkong ye ki pensngau ya kajing internet ya kajing ya bit jong kajing internet jong ni ri ki ya kajong ni kajong kapur ka khot ka wer yang hilang baro bamangi ki basyong basa kani ri ki bit ya kajong ni don ya kala jong ka kamram kumnu ban ya dai kani mai mariam kajong ni nilayu i ya kajing penjabo ya ki wadut nilai i ya kajing penselen ya ki klau ki petap ki jong ni nio i ya kajing penjot ka ba upat benriu ka ba mangi ilale ya kani mai mariang bat kata ka jingle ka jongi pat ka pelong bangin mat ki jinge ki bobon dang hakini ki banai dang ini tayo beladam ilai i ka jing ta na ka jing jul slap na tu cyclone na erlang hari raman ka balawan ra jika ya ka jing ta ontang ka balak ta tangi ki jing don jing em ki jongi ring lakta ru ka ba ki pardo parasnam ki jongi kila due la ka jong ka jing em haki jing tua kendo haka jing slay jo ki bat kum ta ter tena kalian no baseng ni sngo ba kala dai bore ni kadon kani jing khot yang ni ba lengba ni jing ruan ni khot ni wer ya lagi jong ki pardo persnam ni kong ba ai ba nang ni sakmat kum dung long adakar ban yadai ni ka mai mariang ka jong ni khnang ba kani jing le ka jong ni kanong kata yang ni ya kani ka pateng ka pamanta kum ju ru yang kani ka pateng ka bansawan kata kali kejengmut jong kali kejengruai ka bangin pelat pat ba mata kasni ha ki platform social media platform ki ba fair kam tame ha ka YouTube channel jong kaseng ba lengba ka wi kejengmut ba kata kejengmut kalong ban khot ban wer lang ini baro bangi hap ban long adakar kumdu bangin sumare kani ka mai mariam ka jongi bat kum kaseng ni don kejeng sokya ba kani kani ka sinjam ka ba lesi ka bangi pha ya ka hubur ya kajing khot kajing wer segi pordo persnam ka jongi bat nang ni sakmat ru kum kaseng kan sala ban pulong sa de kiwiru kijat program ba naman ngi sotu baladang ngi nang yai le kum ni kumangi lale menta ban baros kata ngi tieng bayo ka kadi ka mai mariam ka bolong kata ka ba aya ngi sibun ki ke yo aku ka sngi kan lompat kajing tem yangi kum kajat benria bat na kijing ja ki bengi le inang kini belajar nang hadian jongi pedang suja kini sni bat ter ngipwa kini kinang yaja nang ni sakmat ru te kata kani kijingmut jong kani kijingruai
haswa bangin penkut no e kani ka kubor ngin pen i biang sepi ya ki mat ki bakongsan job ka VPP hasilong ka kongres hatura ka VPP ka de ka seng jong upat ba ong uba arden nakadaw ka surok poi sa tangan kalong kami sa sekretariat bentip u kongrat baga MDA kan beteng hadu bakut ke samoy trekam kwa ki darbar shnong ban penrung ya ki ikhtiar ki bor penyat shnong hapo ke building bylaws Pelait pai ba ke HYC ke jingruai berema. Bat kiwe dek kubuar. Badak itu ngilapoi sya ke bekut jong kani ketup kubuar. In saya syambiang bat pia ke wepat ke tayo. Bless you buat.